Tesla's game-changing Model 3 electric sedan receives a welcome update for 2024, bringing refreshed styling, improved range, and new features to the popular EV. While the changes may seem subtle at first glance, they add up to a more refined and competitive package in an increasingly crowded segment. The most noticeable exterior changes come up front, where the Model 3 sports a sleeker fascia that gives it a more upscale appearance. Tesla claims the revised design also improves aerodynamics, likely contributing to the bump in range across the lineup. Speaking of range, the base rear-wheel drive Model 3 now offers an EPA-estimated 272 miles, while the long-range all-wheel drive variant boasts an impressive 341 miles per charge. Performance enthusiasts will be pleased with the updates to the range-topping Model 3 performance. Power jumps to 510 horsepower, and Tesla claims a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 2.9 seconds. New adaptive dampers, upgraded brakes, and a dedicated track mode should make it even more capable on a twisty road or circuit. Inside, Tesla has addressed some long-standing criticisms by upgrading interior materials and adding more sound insulation. The cabin should now be a quieter place to spend time, though we'll have to wait for a full test to verify. The steering wheel loses its stalks in favor of touch-sensitive controls, which may prove divisive among drivers. Rear seat passengers now get their own 8-inch touchscreen for climate and entertainment functions, a nice touch for families. All Model 3 variants continue to offer Tesla's autopilot driver assistance system as standard equipment. While impressive in its capabilities, the system still requires further refinement to live up to its ambitious name. Pricing remains competitive, starting at $40,000 for the base rear-wheel drive model and topping out at $54,000 for the performance trim. This positions the Model 3 well against new rivals like the Hyundai Ioniq 6 and BMW i4. However, it's not all roses for the updated Model 3. The lack of physical controls for many functions remains an ergonomic weak point, and the omission of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is increasingly glaring as competitors offer seamless smartphone integration. Despite these small weak points, the Tesla Model 3 remains a compelling option in the electric sedan segment. Its blend of style, range, performance, and relatively accessible pricing should keep it near the top of many EV shoppers' lists. While newer competitors may outshine it in certain areas, the Model 3's well-rounded package and Tesla's expansive supercharger network continue to make it a strong contender. The refreshed Tesla Model 3 is available to order now. As always, we look forward to getting behind the wheel for a full review to see how these updates translate to the real world.